Good morning.
Good morning.
Just checking out the house for sale.
Oh,
Pete here, Springer Realty Group, looking at the house for sale on Woodward. This is an investment property. Of course, you can see the roof there. Looks like it might need a little work. You got access to train tracks. Ouch. Hello, realtor. You got a broken door that just messed up my knee. Okay, powder room. Looks like evidence of water infiltration. You can see there. Yeah. Okay, no power. Give me a second. Not sure if I'm gonna have a light here. Wait. Very, very steep steps. And like a gas HVAC system. Is it gas? I don't see a. Looks like. Okay. Oh, oil burner it says. Yep, oil. Excuse me. Oil forced air. Fuses. Circuit breaker. Water heater. Looks like not in great shape. Okay, looks like the stairs was actually modified. Maybe it was deteriorating and somebody shortened it or something. Okay, bathroom. Looks like a leak. Roof leak. Count it for what it is. Total rehab. Well, I mean, probably don't need to totally rehab it, but probably do. Looks like we got some vines growing through. So it's looks like a chimney leak. Looks like water deterioration coming from here too. Let's check out the outside real quick. So it looks like you got a small side yard, oil tanks in the back, right next to a building. Okay, and there we can see the access. So that was added on, the extra bathroom and the kitchen. And yes, you can see the roof right there if you zoom in. Definitely needs replacing, or at a minimum shingles. Not saying the whole thing needs to be replaced. Okay, give me a call if you need this, Dave, or let me know. All right, see ya. 610-209-9219.